Hi everyone, my name is Russ. I'm the principal architect at SimpleReach. At SimpleReach, we're socially intelligent. We created a tool for content publishers to be able to track social actions on any social network in real time across the entire web. I'm going to talk to you about why Node.js and Cassandra work really well together. To give you an idea about the example I'm going to set up for you, we pulled up a 12-node cluster on Amazon in the cloud. I'm using the latest version of Hellenist, which is the Node.js driver for Cassandra, and the latest version of Node.js. So to give you, to kind of go over this, what Node.js is really good at is doing multiple things at the same time that are I/O bound. And sorry. And what we found is if we took a standard range query in Cassandra and split it up into multiple smaller range queries, we could actually get a lot more performance if we do it at the same time, bring all the results together and output it. This is a simple JavaScript example that I threw together that takes a range query and splits it up into n number of calls on a 100,000 row range. The results were pretty good. We saw about a 30% increase in or decrease in the call time from a single call on the 100,000 row range query. So as you can see, that's that. I also wrote the driver for Hellenist driver for Node.js. It supports the Thrift API, CQL2 and 3, and has automatic internal connection monitoring recovery. We are constantly looking for contributors to the driver to make it a lot better and support everything else that's coming out in the future. So my name is Russ. I'm sorry, I did it a little fast. Thanks.